What's up everybody, I'm Emil Rivero and welcome to our channel. Today I want to share with you guys some of my old Flair videos. Guess what? Those embarrassing videos that we all have but we never show to nobody. So without further wasting time, let's begin. Intro! Okay, let's start with the first clip. Oh my god. What is that? One cling film and one potato? That
No.
You know, I should slap my own self for doing that video. Okay, let's watch it again. I was feeling it. Stop, let me explain. At that time, I definitely didn't have the right equipment, but I was so in love with the discipline that I imagined myself having a Flair bottle on my right hand and the Boston Shaker on my left hand. So, it's all imagination.
Imagination.
So, for those of you that want to start flaring or want to improve, you don't have no excuse. And by the way, if you need a Flair bottle or some equipments, just go to our website www.flairflow.com. Flair bottle, the best in the market. Okay guys, are you ready to see the second clip? Let's go! Here we go. That was my first job as a barista, by the way. Look at that stove. I'm definitely having fun. Why am I doing that sound like Bruce Lee? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why? I was enjoying it. I mean, I think that is the most important thing when you do something. Enjoy what you're doing, you know? Yay! It's so nice to see all your smiling faces behind the screen. What do you think so far? Leave a comment below. So guys, we got this far, and before showing you the last clip, I want to tell you a very important thing, because I realized that I have done more than I imagined. I mean, I've been working everywhere, I was flaring everywhere, I got to the events, I have my own flare room, I have my own school, I have my own brand with my business partner, of course. I did a lot of things, so I appreciate my old self. Okay, are you ready guys?
Yay!
Third and last clip. Oh, I was already sweating there. Okay. I asked him what you want to drink. I didn't even know how to make a capirosca at that time. I was just flaring. Yeah. Okay, that girl just said that I was an idiot. Oh my god. So guys, that was the last clip. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up. See you next time.